Mag-unboxing muna tayo. Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng mga gifts ko ng birthday ko. Yes! Tingnan natin. Yan guys, yung mga gifts ko at saka red pockets or Lizzy. Yan. Okay. Open na natin ha. Go! So, tingnan muna natin. Isa. Unahin na natin ito, guys. Tingnan natin. Galing kay Michelle. Happy birthday, Ate Liz. God bless you always and your family. More birthdays to come and enjoy your special day. From Michelle and Diane. So, thank you so much, Diane and Michelle. Buksan natin. Wow, my favorite perfume. Salvatore Ferragamo, Encanto Bloom. Wow, thank you so much, Michelle and Diane. Love you both. Wow, this is my favorite. And ito, eyeshadow. Wow, thank you so much. Yes, lagay muna natin dito. Next. Ito. Ate Beth, happy birthday. God bless more. From Nenita. From Nenita. Yes. Thank you so much, Nits. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Wow. Underwears. Panties. Ang lalaki. Different colors. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. 6 pieces. 6 pieces of panties. See? Different colors. Thank you, Nits. Love you. Next. Ito. This is from Mildred. Ano kaya ito? Wow! Wow! Another set of perfumes. Wow, from Dear Body. Yes, guys. Thank you, Mildred. Love you. Tignan natin yung laman. Paano ba ito buksan? Ay, dito. Design lang pala yun ng bag. Parang bag. LV bag. Or, ang cute naman. May ribbon. Guys. Ang cute naman. Dito pala ang bukasan sa gilid. Oh. May ano. May tape. Ipasok muna natin ulit. Ayan. Buksan na natin. Yun. Yes. Wow. From Dear Body. Wow, may perfume, may lotion, at saka, ano yung isa? Shower gel. Shower gel. Perfume. And lotion. Ay, si Banjo naman nanonood.
Dami naman yan.
Dami kong gifts.
Dami naman. Akin isa.
Diba? So nice.
Akin isa. Yan o. Red packet.
Ito na lang ang sayo. This is yours.
Wala nang laman yun.
Naiinggit siya, oh. Get next. Alin ang next? This one. Ito naman. Happy birthday from Annie. Thank you, Ate Annie. Check natin kung ano laman.
Mga tumbler yun eh.
Ito kaya. Wala mo.
Kumaalog-alog eh.
Pero maalo. Baka mabasag.
Tumbler.
Sirain natin.
Kapihan
Sirain
yan.
daw
Kapihan.
guys yung box.
Kapihan yan. Kapihan. Ay, shoes. Sandals.
Wow. Sandals kaya. Walaan nyo guys.
Sandals yan eh. Oh, sandals niya.
Wow. Daisy. What do you think is inside this box?
Sandals yan.
Let's check. Ito na yan. Pero may ganon. So it means no, you're wrong. Perfume ulit. Lotion. Lotion. Another lotion. Puro na lang lotion. Oh, lotion again.
Sakto
And
yan sa
then,
ano.
perfume.
Sakto sa winter.
Yes. Yan. Thank you, Ate Annie. Love you. Next one is this. This is from Jennifer. From Jennifer Canila. Thank you so much, Jen. Amiga, maraming salamat. Buksan na natin.
Pabango.
Walaan mo din.
Pabango.
Ako din. Yun din wala ako. Wala natin. Sobrang bango ko na pag nagkataon. Guys, what's in the box? This soap, what is it? Oh, you're right. Yun din, guys. Oh.
Wala ka ng ano. Ang dami mong pabango, ang dami
Perfume,
mong
dami
lotion.
ko ng perfume.
Yes. Velvet Rose.
Guys.
Bango
Iba't
niyan.
ibang klase.
Iba-iba amoy mo
Ibang
niyan.
klase. Yan. Thank you, amiga. Love you.
Iba-iba na amoy mo niyan, no?
And the last one, last but not the least, from Ate Minda. Thank you so much. Check natin. Kabango rin? Oh, maalog din eh. Baka sabon. Talagay ko ano to. Sabon naman. Para maligo daw. Hirap isa.
May ribbon pa.
Parang may ano ba? May heart. Sabi ko na eh. Sabon. Sabon o lotion din. Yan. Hirain natin. Yan. Ang cute ng box. Hulaan nyo guys. What's inside this box?
I don't know.
You don't know? You see so many hearts. What's inside this last box? Ang makahula may 100 Gcash. Hulaan mo. What's inside? Maalog oh. Hulaan mo. Ayaw mo hulaan, wala kang Gcash. Ano?
I don't know.
Hulaan mo. Pareho.
Wow. Iba na naman kulay. Ibang
Iba namang
ibang
perfume.
amoy.
Ano naman to? Poetic Blooms. And another lotion. And another lotion.
For lotion, marami akong lotion
Yes.
magagamit yan.
Thank you so much, amiga. Ay,
Timinda.
Sisi Minda, thank you so much. Love you. Guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And, hindi pa po tapos. Meron pa tayong mga packets or lychee from my friends. Yes. Guys, so, tingnan natin. Naman. Alin dito? Tingnan muna natin to. Guys, ito ay galing kay Belle. Belle, thank you so much for this lychee. Thank you. Yes. Yan. And this one. Ate Maria. Thank you so much, Ate Maria, for the gift. Yes. 500. This one. Kanino to galing? Sa tatlong kasamahan ko. Si Awan, si Achong, at si Kwanye. Thank you so much. Tingnan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 from my colleagues. Yes. At ito, from my dear friend, Mildred. Yes, 100 Hong Kong dollar. Wow. And last but not the least is happy birthday to my best friend, Elizabeth. Your sincerely friend. Wish you all the best and dreams come true. Happy birthday from Fatima. Yes, Fatima, thank you so much. Tingnan natin. Wow. Sabi niya, lucky money daw ito, guys. Huwag ko daw ito gagastusin. Sabi niya, kasi may serial number. Guys. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 280. Thank you so much, Afa. Love you. So, yun guys. Yan. Guys, thank you so much for these gifts. Yes. Thank you so much. I love you all.
A little thank you can go a long, long way. So when you're grateful, that's the thing to say. And when you notice the things that others do, it's time to say a little thank you. You can write it in a note or say it on the phone, or give a little treat to show your gratitude, or you can share it in a post of what you love the most, and always have a grateful attitude. A little thank you can go a long, long way. So when you're grateful, that's the thing vlog or give a gift that shows appreciation. Or you can send it in a card or shout it to the stars, or even give a standing ovation. A little thank you can go a long, long way. So when you're grateful, that's the thing to say. And when you notice the things that others do, it's time to say a little thank you. Yeah, it's time